Hair transplant procedures, costs, methods and results. Due to the new lifestyle or genetic reasons, nowadays the problem of baldness has increased. As a substitute for baldness, hair transplant has emerged as a popular method. This is a process under which the body is planted from the other part of the head and in the head where the hair is not grown. Hair transplant has become quite popular in India in the past 2 decades. Earlier only celebrities used to do hair transplants and the cost was also quite high. But with the introduction of new techniques, hair transplant has been cheap and accessible. With the help of ordinary people can also get rid of baldness. Let's know how hair transplants happen. How to make hair transplant. Hair transplant is a surgical method under which there is thick hair in the back or side of the head. From where it is grown, it is planted in the area where there is no hair. This process takes 8 to 10 weeks and this surgery is done only by specialists. Doctors. Doctors say that due to lack of hair on some individuals, their chest and beard hair can also be planted on the head. But usually it is the practice of planting head hair in others. What is the method of hair transplant? For a hair transplant, a surgery of 5 to 6 hours is done in a week, under which some hair transplants are done in the head of the person. In the same way, fixed hair graft is done in many times. Experts giving anesthesia in these surgeries, as well as specialists of other devices are also present. If the person who has a hair transplant has any kind of disease, then he is already known and he is transplanted to the hair by keeping it in mind. FUT method, strip process. 1. The entire history of the hair of the person is read. Why the hair disappeared, it is also studied. 2. The area of baldness is deficient. 3. Donor area, from which to take hair, is also defined. 4. Under the surgery, a long strip of hair is taken from the donor area. 5. In the area of baldness, it is planted with the help of stitches. 6. Implant area is applied after the implant, which is opened after 1 day. 7. In the donor area, soluble stitches are also applied which recover in a few days. FUE hairline grafting, holistic process. Hairline grafting is also a method of hair transplant. If the hair in the front of the head is less, then it cannot be cured by using strip technique. In such a case, one hair is carefully grafted. It also takes 7 to 8 hours of time and the patient is unconscious. But the advantage of this process is that it does not have any stitches or marks on the head. Even the patient does not feel that surgery has happened. What is the effect? Doctors say that the head is seen in the head for 2 weeks after transplantation. New hair starts coming in 2 weeks to 3 weeks in the affected area of baldness. These hair are completely natural and similar to the other hair. In 2 to 3 weeks small tiny hair comes, which later becomes taller and finished baldness. Its beauty is that these hair grow strongly like head hair and pancakes grow in the skin of the head and grow from the head throughout life. How much does the hair transplant cost? As far as strip method is concerned, a hair grafting costs 30 to 40 rupees. Apart from this, the cost of seating and other equipment is also added. On the other hand, advanced technology, i.e. full-in method, FUT, comes in the cost of grafting 50 to 60 rupees per child.